How I get free motivated sellers consistently every single month on autopilot at the highest quality that I have ever seen for literally free, right? And how do we do this? As real estate investors, that is literally the game, is just being at the right place at the right time all the time and getting the most highest quality amount of motivated sellers for the cheapest cost. That is the game. And honestly, with SEO, it is the best way to get motivated sellers. And I have used every single way. Last year, we did 84 wholesaling deals in my local area. And a big part of that was due to SEO. Now, on average here, as you can see, here's my carrot account. On average, we probably range anywhere from 10 motivated sellers a month on average. Obviously, some months we have, like this month right now, 7, and then some months we'll have like 15, right? And this obviously doesn't include call-ins from our Google Business Profile either. This is kind of just a testament as far as what we actually get from an area, right? So as you can see here, the SERPs, you can see Sell My House Fast, Sioux Falls. Here's our PPC, as well as our organic website, the first one to show up, as well as more PPC and our Google Business Profile. So already the homeowner has seen us 4 times. So who do you think they're going to click on most of the time? That's honestly what I call the trifecta system. PPC, Google Business Profile, and website all ranking. That is where you get every single motivated seller that will ever be interested in selling their house fast for cash in your local area. And that's the true goal. That is the true goal. As you can see here, Buy My House Sioux Falls, same thing. PPC's up there. We have our organic website up there. No Google Business this time. Same thing, cash home buyers. PPC's up there, PPC here as well as our profile again and our website here. So that's just kind of a testament as far as what we do and what our website looks like, how the Google SERP looks like for us, and we're only in an area of 250,000 people. So how do you get your website to look like this? Because I can tell you one thing, it doesn't cost a whole lot of money. Now, if you're in a more competitive area, because like I said, I'm in only an area of 250,000 people, if you're in an area like Houston or Philadelphia, all these places, the cost is definitely going to go up and the time frame is going to go longer for you. But obviously, I will link videos down below exactly how to do this, exactly how to get results like this. But I'm going to go very short as far as kind of the basics of what we did to actually get motivated sellers like this. So basically, what you need to do is, I'm going to use this as an example. Sell my house fast. Let's do Nashville. I'm going to go and Sell My House Fast Nashville. We're going to go in here. What I'm going to do is I simply just need to do competition analysis. And I have an entire video I will link below. It's basically just a video of me analyzing my competitors. It's a 1 hour long video. It's not edited. It is what it is. It's a great video if you're looking to do this yourself. But at the end of the day, if you can analyze your competitors, build your blueprint of what's actually on the page, because that's 90% of SEO. What is on your website is 90% of SEO at the end of the day. If you can get to the point where you fit in like a pack of sardines or right in with the pack of everybody else on your SERP, you will have a lot of success. Now, the 90%, what's the extra 10%? And that's what we call off page. That is essentially backlinks, right? So if I go over here, basically the way to get backlinks is you go to Help a Reporter Out. This is essentially where you put your email in here, and they're going to send you inquiries that journalists are trying to search for, and they're trying to find reputable people who can respond to their queries so they can use you as a source. In that essence, they are going to tag you and they are going to link to your website whenever they actually use you as a resource. And so that is the biggest thing. So at the end of the day, really all you need to do is simply get your on-page in order. The video will be in the description. Get your backlinks in order. Video will also be in the description. And once you do this, you can get results just like this, right? You can get results just like we have and get every single motivated seller possible. We do 3 to 5 deals every single month from SEO. And it's crazy because we're only in a market of 250,000 people, but SEO has by far became our biggest and best way to get leads, just because it's so cheap and they're the highest quality. Because if you really think about it, if someone is on Google looking to sell my house fast, looking for someone to buy my house or a cash home buyer in that location, and you're ranking there, they are going to be the most motivated leads you'll ever see, and they're going to be local. And that's really all that you want. It's the highest quality leads you will ever see. Once you get the trifecta system, you will have a lot of success. Now, without further ado, I appreciate you watching the video. Feel free to click my website link down below if you would rather have me do your SEO, PPC, or Google Business Profile for you. Otherwise, I have videos in the description and my entire channel that will show you exactly how to do it yourself if that's something you have time for. But otherwise, I hope you guys find a lot of deals out there. But thanks for watching.